Hello everyone, dear friends. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I'm going to tell you and also show you how in the Snapchat app, you can enable quick add or quick search. But before we start this video, please don't forget to please put your likes, write comments for sure, and also friends, subscribe to the channel. So let's go ahead and get started. Please open up the Snapchat app on your devices. Now on the top left, click on your Bitmoji. Then on your account at the top, tap the gear at the top. And that's how you'll open up the settings. In the settings, please scroll down to the bottom. And now you will need to find a section called Privacy Controls. And here you will take the option to see me in ads offered or see me in your friends list. Go to that option, and now turn it on. Next, I'm going to show you where and how this will work. When you go to the Friends or Recommendations section, you'll see this little man sign at the top here. Click on it, and that's where you'll see a list of people you can suggest as friends. In the same way, you will also be suggested as a friend by other users on the Snapchat app. And in this way, you can increase your number of friends significantly. That's how quick and easy it is for you to enable the quick add feature in Snapchat. I really hope you found the video useful. Don't forget to put likes, write comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you soon.